Kung patuloy natataas yung presyo ng langis sa world market, kanina kausap po namin si Director Rino Abad, ang sabi niya nasa 90 to 95 USD na daw per barrel ang crude oil sa Dubai. Kung patuloy po yung tataas, sigurado magtataas po ang basic goods. Kung sakali man, kailan po kaya namin ito mararamdaman at magkano kaya ang idadagdag?
Well, very likely, no, na tataas din ang presyo ng mga basic goods, no, basic necessities and prime commodities, no. For the information of all, kung di pa nabanggit kanina sa interview ninyo, gasoline has already gone up by 670 since January and the diesel by 940, no, laki ng tinaas. 10th straight week na gumalaw ang presyo ng fuel, which we're only on our 8th, 9th week pa lang for the year, di ba? So very likely, distributors, logistics, these will, siguradong magtataas sila, gagalaw ang presyo nila, cost nila, at ang charge nila, no, sa mga manufacturers, which of course will redound to increase din siguro in prices of goods in the supermarket. As to how much, it's a management decision, no? Pwedeng hindi sila mag-increase at kainin ang market share ng kalaban, or pwede sila mag-increase dahil kailangan nila, dahil konti pa lang ang kanilang production. If they have enough stock, they need not increase, or not immediately at least, no? Para kainin muna nila yung, market share ng kalaban.
But in the past, halimbawa po yung nangyari noong 1998 na halos similar pero medyo ganun nga po yung nangyayari ngayon. Kung babalikan po natin yun, gaano po kalaki yung naging pagtaas before and may possibility ba na mahihigitan pa yung pagtaas ng presyo kung sakali man sa mga susunod na linggo?
Well, yun malaking tinaas dahil hindi handa ang mga bansa noon, no? Ngayon siguro we have stockpile of how much? 50 days, no? For the different LPG ang nakita ko medyo mababang stockpile, no? Good for 27 days ba? Napakaano lang. So it would be smart to buy your LPG, no? If you cook a lot at home and use LPG, di ba? Pero gasolina and diesel, gas diesel, and the others, no, avgas, I think they have around average around 50 days, no, which is not too much, less than 2 months, no. If the war extends no longer than 2 months, saan tayo pupulutin, no? Which I know DOE is now asking, people concerned, no, to stockpile on fuel, no, refined fuel, and then to stop exporting, no, nag-export din pala tayo, no, so, di ba, DOE has asked them to stop exporting para lahat ng measures needed, no, so that our supply of fuel is not, hindi maubusan kaagad.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami, hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!